Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Canon MG5700 series printer, and I'm gonna show you how to change the auto disabling time, how to set this time, and how to enable or how to disable auto enabling of the printer after power on. So, firstly, find settings on your home screen this way and click setup, then scroll right, find device settings, then scroll down again, find your device user settings, then scroll down, find your Android 7 settings, and here you will see auto power off. For example, I will use 240, and auto power on I will enable. So, then click OK. Energy saving settings are saved, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.